everyone, Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, we are going to make the everyday shrug. In this shrug, what should we need to make is a crochet hook size 4.25 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, stitch marker, yarn needle, and the yarn that I use is called Feel Like Butter from Learn Brand Yarn. It's for medium weight, 100 gram. I use is about 3 skein, 3 of them, and this shrug is made from the herringbone double crochet stitch. I will put the link in the description below for the herringbone double crochet stitch video tutorial and writing pattern as well. So let's get started. To start with the everyday shrug, we will start with the multiple of chain 2 plus 3. In this example size is small to medium. We will make the foundation chain of 110. So we will start with slip knot first, and then chain 110 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will go off the camera and finish 110 chain, and we meet you there. Hi guys, now I finished making 110 chain already, and we will add 3 more chain. 1, 2, and 3. Then we will skip 3 chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and make our first herringbone double crochet stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, use your thumb to fix the middle loop, and then pull through just 1 loop. Grab the yarn, pull through 1 loop again. Grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Now we have our first herringbone double crochet stitch already. We will continue making this in each chain across. Grab the yarn, pull through, use your thumb to fix, and pull through just 1 loop. Grab the yarn, pull through 1 loop again, and grab the yarn, pull through both loops. So now we have our second herringbone double crochet stitch already. We will keep continue making the herringbone double crochet stitch in each chain across. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through, use your thumb to fix the middle loop, and pull through just 1 loop. Grab the yarn, pull through 1 loop, grab the yarn, pull through both loops. So I will keep continue doing this, and we meet you at the end of the row. Now I just finished making herringbone double crochet stitch all along here, and at the end we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work, and now we are on row 2 of a herringbone double crochet stitch already. We will skip stitch here and make herringbone in the next stitch. Use your thumb to fix. Pull through just one loop. Grab the yarn, pull through one loop again, and grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Now we have finished our first herringbone double crochet stitch on row 2, and we will keep repeating this. Make the herringbone double crochet stitch in each stitch across until the end of the row. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, use your thumb to fix the middle loop. Pull through just one loop, grab the yarn, pull through one loop again, grab the yarn, pull through both loops. So we will keep continue doing this. Make a herringbone double crochet stitch in each stitch across until the end of the row here. I will meet you at the end here. So at the end of row 2 of the herringbone double crochet stitch, we will see a chain 3 space from the previous row. In this one, we will make herringbone double crochet stitch. Grab the yarn, insert your hook in the chain 3 space from the previous row. Use your thumb to fix. Pull through one loop, grab the yarn, pull through one loop again, grab the yarn, pull through both loops. So we are finished row 2 already, and we will chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work, and we will repeat row 2 of the herringbone double crochet stitch, row after row, until we have about 20 inch long. I will go off the camera and finish repeat row 2 until I get 20 inch long, and we show you. Okay, bye. So now I finish repeat row 2 of the herringbone double crochet stitch already, and I measure up. It's about 20 inch, and we will ready to assemble the piece. See you in the next one. Now we are ready to assemble, and we will do one side at a time. So fold them each end until they meet. And we just for the armhole, we will leave it out for 5 inch and put the stitch marker on. And this one we will not sewing, we will sewing on this part. We use the yarn tail if you have long enough. If you don't have long enough yarn tail, you just get the new yarn and start sewing it. And we finished now, and the next one we will add the sleeve here. So to add the sleeve, we will join the new yarn at any part of the armhole, but I think I will join it in here. And we will start to do single crochet in each space or in each stitch across for one round. And we will keep going, adding the single crochet in each space around here. I will meet you when I finish it. I forgot to put stitch marker. So now I finished one round of the single crochet in each space or in each stitch across to make the base for the sleeve. And then we not joining round, we just keep continue adding the single crochet in each stitch around until we have about 1 inch thick for the sleeve. I will go off the camera and finish adding the sleeve and we'll show you. Hi guys, I'm just finished making the single crochet in each stitch around, maybe 4 row or 4 round. And like I said, we are going to add only 1 inch thick, so it's about 1 inch. You can make more if you like, but I will just finish it here. So that's all we finished. We will repeat the same for the other side, for the other sleeve, and that's all done. I hope you go enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you make one, just tag me on Instagram